Introduction, Superstore data source. In most of this course, we will be using the Superstore data source that is provided by Tableau. If you have Tableau Desktop, you should already have this data source. However, if you are using Tableau Public, you could download this data source from the resources attached to this video. The main reason we are using the Superstore data source is 1. The majority of you will be familiar with this data source. 2. The data source is transactional, so there is 10,000 records, all related to sales data. And finally, this should mimic or at least give you a good basis for applying our learnings, our tutorials to real-life data sets. So, if you have Tableau Desktop, you're good to go and ready to go. If you're using Tableau Public, please download the resource and let's get ready to have some fun. See you in the next lesson.